to beat it out the frame. It's a party going on right now, and I'm so glad you came. It's a twerkathon, she got it going on. She's taking videos of pictures with her cell phone, and when she posts it up, she get 100 likes. And then the phone that she attracts to the spotlight. So let me see you do this dance. Brand new, y'all. Come on, get in there, jump out of there. Get in there, jump out of there. And then you step with it, turn like you don't care. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead, baby. Red Rooster is the dance party king, doing my thing. You already know. Hooked up with Holly Park, and now we got y'all march to the floor. It don't matter your age, your size, your color, your swagger, your style. Let's run this song, come on, we got the whole club. Come on, y'all. Here's a twerkathon, got you that chance. With the videos of niggas with an iPad. When you post it up, you get 100 likes. It ain't a phone that she attracted to the spot. Brand new. This is my brand new dance, y'all. Here we go. Come on. Get in there. Jump out of there. Get in there. Jump out of there. And then you step with it. Turn like you don't care. Come on, y'all. Then you step with it, then you turn like you don't care. Get in there, jump out of there. Get in there, jump out of there. And then you step with it, and then you step with it, then you turn.
It's a hit show, we doing this show. For everybody with the first outfits, yeah. And when you post it up, you get 1,000,000 likes. It ain't a fault that you
So let me see you. First time in Houston.
Yes, sir. First time in Houston, Texas. Go ahead. Hey, Tom. Go ahead.
Come on. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead. Come on. One more time. Get in there. Jump out of there. Jump in there. Jump out of there. Then you step. And then you turn like you don't care. Go ahead, baby. Go, it's baby. Go ahead, baby. Oh, yeah.
Houston, make some noise.
Thank y'all, Red Rooster. Thank y'all.
My man Cuban came down there just for you. First time in Houston, Texas. Brand new line dance.
It's called Go Ahead, Baby.
Go ahead, baby. All the way from Louisiana. Hold on, I got a special announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're driving a gold Lexus, I don't know.